beautiful, elegant, feminine scents, and they definitely spark joy. So I just wanted to share those fragrances with you. So should I do this in order? It's going to be hard to do them in order because I feel like, again, they're all my favorites. So really excited because I'm going to be sharing with you my favorite perfumes that spark some joy. During this self-isolating period I have been going through all my perfumes and sort of decluttering everything and just organizing all my fragrances, and I was looking at the fragrances that I pick up more frequently, so all the perfumes that spark some joy. So I really wanted to share that with you. I have them here and I'm extremely excited because I also have an unboxing video right at the end, and this perfume I absolutely adore and I need to share that with you. And I've had this perfume for a little while now again, and I haven't opened it, so I've been saving it for you because I wanted to share the unboxing video with you. I'd love to know if you could send me a message and let me know what are your 3 favorite perfumes that spark joy during spring. This fragrance I have here is my little baby, my precious baby, and this perfume here that sparks joy is Chanel No. 5 L'Eau. So this perfume is a spring favorite, but also it's one of my go-to fragrances. So this is more like my skin sort of fragrance, my skin favorite, like neutral, everyday, soapy, fresh out of the shower scents. And yeah, I just love it. It's fruity, it's fresh. You've got vanillas in here, white musk, you've got the citrus notes of the lemon and orange. It's such a delicate, beautiful, clean scent, and this definitely sparks joy. This is something that it makes you feel good, it makes you feel happy, and it's just such a bright scent. So that's my Chanel L'Eau, and one of my favorites there. It's that Chanel Chance Automne, and this perfume is delicate. It's got a green, sparkly, fruity note to it, and it's so pretty. White musk, jasmine. It's sort of green and fresh, but delicate and feminine at the same time. So that's another favorite of mine, and this definitely brings me a lot of joy. It reminds me of spring, it reminds me of summer, it reminds me of being outside. It's like that sort of airy note, you know. It's fresh, it's green, it just reminds you of outdoors, and I think that's what I admire about this scent. It's fresh, it's bright, it's green, it's fruity, you've got the grapefruit in there, and it's just sort of soothing in the sense that, like, the soothing element of this perfume that I detect is the fact that it just reminds you of spring and like fresh air and brightness. It just smells new, it just smells like fresh and new. That's what I like about this, and I think that's why this fragrance here sparks a lot of joy for me. So that's my Automne. And now this perfume that I'm going to show you is definitely my #1 fragrance. And I think if anyone knows me by this brand or this scent, it's like, yeah, that's Charlene's fragrance. I wouldn't say it's my signature fragrance, but it's almost close to being my signature fragrance. But this brings a lot of joy, so I'm just going to share it with you. And it is nothing other than Tom Ford Jasmine Rouge. So that's my Tom Ford's Jasmine Rouge, and I absolutely love this fragrance. I absolutely adore this fragrance. I mean, first of all, can we just talk about the bottle? There's something rich about this bottle. It just looks so expensive. The design, the shape, the glass bottle, just the way in which it is cut. I just love the design, and it just looks so pretty on your dressing table. It just looks so elegant, so stunning, and I absolutely just adore the bottle. And I haven't even opened up the perfume. So let's do that. Oh my gosh, this just reminds me of, okay, so I would wear this perfume all the time, but this definitely sparks joy for me. It just this perfume reminds me of all the special moments I've had, all the fun evenings I've had, going out with friends, going for fancy dinners, going to really nice exclusive events. This is what this bottle reminds me of. It's just like, it's like everything being fabulous in a bottle, and in just one spray, it's like you feel, it just takes you back to that time. So that's what I love about this perfume. And it also reminds me of tea. And of course it's Jasmine Rouge, so this perfume is a jasmine based perfume, and this probably sparks joy because it reminds me of tea. So yes. That's Jasmine Rouge by Tom Ford. That is a must. Absolutely love it, this fragrance. And I'm looking at it side-eye, like, come over here. I just need to grab that perfume and share this with you. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to show you this bonus fragrance. Have you guessed it? I think you have, because this perfume definitely sparks so much joy, and it's a favorite of mine. It's a go-to. It's very special, and it's nothing other than MFK. So that is my Maison Francis Kirk Dijon Baccarat Rouge 540, and oh my goodness, this is such a beautiful fragrance. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah, what else could I say? Absolutely feminine, sweet. It has that candy floss sweetness, burnt sugar. It's just such a gorgeous scent, and I feel like you can wear this perfume day and night. It's an extremely special perfume, and it's very exclusive, so that's my bonus I wanted to share with you. So actually, I'm going to do a full review because I have an unboxing video that I'd love to share, and the story about why I bought this perfume, how I bought it, how I discovered it. So stay tuned for the next video. Actually, I will upload that for you, but I will go into full details about this gorgeous perfume. So now it's time for my unboxing. You can probably hear it under here. So I wanted to share this unboxing video with you. I wanted to open this with you all. The perfume I will be sharing is Chanel Chance. Now this is Chance. Oh, my bangle fell off. That's a bit naughty. So this is the EDP, the Eau de Parfum that I bought here, and I'm going to be unboxing that for you. Now, this is the first time me buying the EDP. The EDP came out recently, and I've always bought the EDT. So I wanted to try and see what the difference was. I do actually have the EDT here. So I've actually bought both of them, but I wanted to test and see how the strengths were and how they both performed individually. So yeah, let me unbox that. It's the wrapping there. So excited to open it. It's like Christmas Day for me. Oh can't open the bottle. I'm just too excited. I think they've glued it down. There we go. All right, so this is the lovely packaging, and it's going to reveal. I'm going to take the whole thing out, it'll just be easier. There we are there, and then there is the perfume. So it's lovely. Oh, so lovely. My gosh, it's absolutely beautiful. So there's my new fragrance. This I'll be adding to my perfume wardrobe. So there's my beautiful fragrance. The bottle is, wow, is that silver or gold? I think that's, oh, that's silver. The lid is silver. So there's my chance. Oh my goodness. Should I spray this? I'm gonna have to spray this one at least. I don't think I have any perfume on. So I'm going to open it here. So if I go through, if I rest up there, I'll go through all the notes with you, but I'm going to just spray that because I absolutely ooh, lovely. Oh wow, it's gorgeous. So I've just sprayed a bit there. Oh my goodness, it's absolutely beautiful. That's so gorgeous. Wow. It's just beautiful. I have, it's just so elegant. It's, wow, absolutely beautiful. So let's go through. I think I just zoned out a bit there, didn't I? That's strange. Here we have pink pepper, jasmine, amber, patchouli, musk and vanilla. So I can see that jasmine is a very common theme amongst my perfumes that spark joy, and also musk and vanilla. But this perfume is absolutely beautiful. I so love it. It's absolutely beautiful, this perfume. So this one I bought was 100 ml. I thought I would get started with 100 ml and see how that one goes. So this is one of my like going out perfumes. The way how I would wear this, because I already have the EDT, and this is my first purchase of the EDP, and I usually wear this out for classier events. So yeah, there's a few events I would go to, then I would wear this perfume, and then if not, this is usually my evening out perfumes. If I'm going out to dine, if I'm going out for a meal, I would wear this fragrance. To meet some friends, perhaps we're going somewhere really classy, I would say this is the time I would pick up this bottle. But it's a very feminine fragrance. And even the way, I mean, I don't know if any of you get satisfaction from this, but I really do like the way how the bottle opens and then the sound of the lid closing. Like, just that gives me satisfaction. Is there anyone else that just likes that sound? It's just like, I don't know, the sound of a bottle opening. It's just like an expensive wine bottle being opened. I don't know, that exciting feel. That's what it reminds me of. But this is a gorgeous feminine scent. I feel like everyone would like this perfume. I don't think you can fault it much. There's nothing to really fault about this perfume, but it's just very elegant, and it has a richness to it. It's quite deep and rich. It smells, it has that expensive feel as well. So yeah, I'm really happy about that purchase. I'm so happy about this fragrance. It's just gorgeous. So I would like to know what perfumes spark joy for you, and if you've been at home during this quarantine period, what have you been decluttering? Have you been decluttering your perfume collection? Have you been going through, and then have you noticed all the perfumes that were your favorites that you've kind of forgot about, and have you like brought those fragrances, you know, back onto your dresser, and now are you, or do you intend on using those fragrances more? I would love to know, I'm really curious to know if any of you can relate to the fragrances that I've mentioned, and if we have that in common, I would love to know. And if not, I would just love to know like what fragrances that you're trying or that you have and they spark some joy for you, and then I'm gonna go and give them a try, because I'm always looking for new scents and to just try something different as well. So thank you again for watching, thank you for joining me, and have a wonderful day. And I really hope that whatever it is that you find, you are around items, people, or just certain elements that can spark joy at this period in time. And I wish you all well, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Why have I lost my words? I'm speechless. So you can see the packaging here. The difference is you've got the gold